Becoming a TrexPro Platinum, you get invited to places like Cabo.
Trex has literally elevated my business to the point where I solely fit Trex. And that has been a massive game changer to us financially and for the growth of my company. We've elevated from that alone.
When we started building decks, we wanted to partner with the best companies in the industry, and they've came alongside us and helped us with, leads, with advertising to grow our business.
I've never had a callback, never had an issue, never had a warranty claim. That's why I only install Trex.
We recognize them as a leader in the industry, and we partner with them because we know that they are there to help us along the way. We've grown business, together. So as Trex has grown, we've grown.
It's a really great team. I feel really supported with the knowledge and the partnership that we have.
And it's well worth putting in the time. Having that platinum status is huge for us.
So each year, if you're TrexPro Gold or TrexPro Platinum, you get a co-op rebate.
And what I really like to use that marketing funds on is uniforms for my crew.
Advertising.
The website.
Google ads and Facebook adverts.
Magazine advertisements.
And photography.
I also got my van wrapped with the TrexPro Co-op Fund.
And basically being refunded for that, which I would probably have never done if I wasn't a TrexPro fitter.
Get more tips and more hints and get a bit of an insight into what's going on behind the scenes at Trex.
I've been able to shake hands and meet a lot of people. We're actually able to learn and feed off of each other.
Being a Trex Platinum installer, we really do get spoiled. They bring us to these beautiful locations. We just love being part of the Trex Platinum group.
I just think it's an amazing product, amazing team, amazing people.
You work hard, you bring in the volume and do the sales, and Trex fly you away to somewhere nice and sunny and warm, all inclusive. And who doesn't want that? The wife gets to join me as well, otherwise I wouldn't be able to come on my own.
We get to meet our friends from across the pond, and we're one big family, and it's the Trex family.
Highly recommend it to anybody if they can get into it, really.
If you're not, in the program, you need to be.
Do you want me to dance now?